So I decided to take my bike today out for a ride. It's kind of windy today, but the weather's kind of nice overall. So I've had a chance to kind of get a feel for this bike and trying to get the settings kind of good between the pedal assist and the switching of the gears. So I've got the T7, it's got the 4-inch tires, 26 by 4 inch, and they're pretty nice overall. And I like the LCD screen here. It's kind of hard to see with the sun behind me, but I like the screen overall too. Like right now I got my pedal assist to setting 1 and it's not bad. It's kind of pretty good when you want to be as low as you can. Got my gear at about 4. So you know, if you're a drone user, photographer, you kind of want to ask yourself, well, what do I need an e-bike for? You know, how does that play into the photography or for flying your drone? So what I kind of like about it is the fact that it gives me the freedom to go where I need to go at a much faster speed, and it's rather enjoyable. And you know, if you got knee problems or you know some other limitation, but yet you're still able to ride a bike, this is kind of a good option. It does help you at least do your exercises. I try to focus on doing more of the doing the pedal assist. So I'll go more about the pedal assist and using my feet. It's still an adjustment. Now I'm on 2 right now, and you can go on setting 2 for the pedal assist. Now, I've got the default settings. I haven't made any adjustments. And man, you can go fast. Right now I'm just kind of going downhill, cruising. No pedal assist. So, but uphill. Now, if you got a bit of an incline, if you pedal and let the pedal assist help you on setting 1, it's not bad. But I find that if you go to like setting 2, it kind of helps a little bit. Even changing the gears if you want to use more of your own strength versus the pedal assist, that's another option you can go with. Really, having that flexibility of using either or and adjusting it, I think it's pretty cool. Now, I did read or saw some of these videos out there about the T7 bike, or maybe even bikes in general, if you think about it, that why do you have multiple gears? You know, the cassette, typical bike cassette with the multiple gears and having to shift. Well, as you start going up the pedal assist levels, you'll start to notice that you can't keep up with it by pedaling. You have to change your gears so that you're getting more resistance and you're able to keep up with the speed. So as you increase the pedal assist setting. You know, it's 1 through 5 by default on this, and on 5 you can really go up to 28 miles per hour, and that's with assistance both motor and feet, but you have to change the gears. So I think that's where having the gears comes in handy, and it is a combination of working the different pedal assist levels along with switching to gears. And another thing that I noticed, I did try, you know, that automatic mode where it changes the pedal assist levels automatically. I don't like it. I mean, it's not bad, but I think I like the manual, adjust my gears and adjust the pedal assist manually versus having to go automatic. But you know, that's a preference thing. But branches are low here. So far, I like the bike. And right now I don't have my backpack with me, but I know that once I have my bag set up for going out in the field and finding some good places to go to, that this is going to work out pretty good. Now, this bike is heavy, but even with this bike being heavy, I can still pedal with this even without the pedal assist. Only challenge, of course, is when you're going uphill. That's about it. But it does feel like on level ground, pretty much like any old bike, considering, you know, with all the stuff I've got, I bet you it's probably 90 pounds. I think these are like 80-pound e-bikes. But again, this is the Vitillan T7 fat tire bike, and it is a really nice one. I'll put a picture there on the screen so you can check it out, but I really like it so far. The one thing though is they say this is made to, I'm having to shift to 2 on the pedal assist just to make it up this hill smoothly, partly because I don't want to huff and puff too much. They say this bike is meant for people that are like 5'6" and up, but you know, hiking the leg over this bike is a challenge. You kind of have to tilt the bike to get your leg over, and if you've got like a rear back saddlebag kind of thing, you kind of really have to tilt it and get that leg up. It's not a major problem, just an observation and something to take into account if you're wanting to use your bike. Oh man, it's windy today. So, but another thing I'll note about this bike, I'm adjusting my camera here. So if you notice here, I've got my phone adapter here, or phone mount. The phone mount, I looked around for one. I like this one. It's kind of metal based, and I think it's meant more for a motorcycle, but it does a nice job in gripping the phone, and it does have a little shock absorber in the back. I can put a link in the description if you're wanting to know what it is, but it's pretty nice, and I like the fact that I can have my phone there. So that is a good thing. Here's an uphill, go back to 2 again. So I like the it's like most bikes, the brakes are here in the front on the handlebar. You've got the gears. Now the T7, I like the fact that when you put on the brakes, the brake light on the back turns on, and you've got a control. You can turn on the front light and it'll turn on the back light as well. The one thing it doesn't have is the turn signals. So I kind of wish they did, but it didn't have that option. They've got other models that Vitilan sells that does have the signal lights, but unfortunately this one does not. Although this mountain bike is more, I guess the fact that it is a mountain bike, you're kind of using it more for, you know, off-road. So it would make sense that it wasn't a necessity to have the signal lights on there, but it kind of would have been nice. But either case, it's not a problem. I might look at a helmet solution later, although the Vitilan does provide a helmet, and I kind of got mine on a Black Friday with the bike, and I love the helmet. The helmet is really nice. I'll put a picture up as well so you can see it. But I definitely like the helmet, but it does have a light in the back, but it's more for kind of letting people know you are on the road, but it's not meant for providing brakes or signaling, although there are some out there that I can probably get, or possibly a add-on light, signaling light that I can add to my helmet. Oh, that's my horn. Oh, that's another thing. This bike has got a funky horn. Kind of a noisy, unpleasant horn sound, but I think from a safety perspective, I'd rather it be noisy and annoying so people know you're there on the road. So definitely, I like the horn. So I need to add a mirror to the handles, because definitely trying to look back to see if there's a car behind you. That's it's doable, but I think I could do without having to have that going on. So, but anyways, I kind of just wanted to share with you my new photography drone tool. Yes, my channel's more about drones and tech, but I just wanted to kind of cover another item that may not seem like it's for drone and tech, but the reality is it is handy for that kind of thing, because you know, I could spend hours hiking in some places where I could just, you know, use my bike off-road, like I am kind of right now going through the grass, a bit on the bumpy side, but this guy's got shocks in the rear and the front, which is nice. It's air shocks, which are really nice here. But definitely having to walk and lose a lot of daylight or early morning light, I think having a bike can be handy in situations like that, because sometimes time is of the essence. And just being able to explore more, again, with less time. I got a dog in the backyard here. Hello. But definitely it saves a lot of time, and I think that's kind of good if you're wanting to get the right shots at the right time and seeing new stuff that normally you wouldn't if you were just walking. And of course, this is my neighborhood, but you know, let's say you went somewhere, this is going to be something that is going to be very handy. So, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching my channel, and I do appreciate you guys subscribing, those that already have, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please, if you can, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the like, and have a good day, guys. See ya.